I'm Débora. I'm from Brazil. I've studied biology at university and now I work for Project Biodiversity. Here with Project Biodiversity, I am in charge of the international volunteers, but I also do work here within the hatchery with tourists, some outreach, and yeah. And I like working here because I really like turtles. So right now we're gonna visit our sea turtle conservation hatchery. And it's here in the hatchery where we are relocating all of the endangered nests that we find during our patrols. So each one of these blue signs you guys can see here, they are endangered sea turtle nests, loggerhead sea turtle nests that we found and they were endangered because of light pollution. So our team during the mornings, we finish the patrols, we find these nests and we relocate them here, we bring them here, counting carefully how many eggs are in each one of these nests. We replicate the original nest and how deep they are and how wide they are, and then we start monitoring the nests. And because we know exactly when these eggs were laid, because of course we're doing the patrols each night, we know when they should be hatching. So they take around 50 to 60 days to hatch, so we're just gonna calculate. When it gets closer to the hatching day, we're gonna come here, we're gonna put these metal cages on top. And we put these metal cages on top to prevent the baby turtles from walking all around the hatchery. And we're also gonna be here each night. So each night we have a team of 2 or 3 volunteers that are here checking on these nests that are due to hatch. Once the baby turtles are at the surface, ready to go, we're gonna pick them up, we're gonna count how many babies we find from each one of the nests, and we're gonna bring them closer to the water. So we have the hatchery happening and working with baby turtles pretty much from the end of August until the middle of December. And these metal cages are really important because once these baby turtles are hatching, it makes our work much easier because as you can see right here, the baby turtles, they get stuck inside this metal cage, so we can just come here and count how many babies we found from how many eggs. So this nest initially had 92 eggs, as you can see here. And now our team is gonna come and pick these babies up to release them. This nest that has just hatched actually has been adopted by Lorraine. And we can actually see that we have loads of nests that have been adopted by different families. So if you look that way as well, all around the hatchery. And these adoptions, they're a really important way for Project Biodiversity to fundraise and support our work here. So tourists, they come, they get to hear a speech about our work, they get to see the baby turtles, and they also get to support us through a sea turtle adoption or a nest adoption. Right, and over here, guys, we have some nests that we are working with Queen Mary University of London. These are nests that we relocated and then relocated to this separate area of the hatchery, and we'll be doing experiments with the hatchlings that come out from these nests, where we're going to be evaluating the levels of hormones. We're also going to be doing some studies on DNA to see how the sea turtles can adapt to climate change. We have a partnership with the university for quite a while now, and they join us every season to do different